Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can download, install and enter the Backrooms mod in Minecraft. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing what you need to do here is to go to curseforge.com and download a CurseForge app if you do not have it already. So just download the app, save it to your computer, and then you need to install it. Press install, then you just need to install like a normal setup. Press next. Accept terms, next, accept and install, and wait until installation process is done. Once it's installed, you should see Minecraft option here. If you don't see it, then press add game and scan a computer for games or manually add game. Once you have Minecraft, just click on it here, then press discover, and then here you need to look for Backrooms. Backrooms, and then you need to look for a particular basically mod. All right, into the Backrooms, and you will see this mod here, horror into the Backrooms found footage, and look, that has the most downloads. Okay, and then press install and wait until installation process is done. After it's installed, you just need to hit play, and now I will show you how you can enter into the Backrooms. Next up, what you need to do here, you need to go to single player and then create a survival mode or world. Okay, once in the game, then to enter the Backrooms, you need to grab or find 2 blocks of sand. Then you need to dig a hole, 2 blocks hole. And then you need to put sand on top of you, right? So like this. Wait a second, I'm not too good at Minecraft, so let's put sand on top of me. Should work. Wait a second. So dig a 2 blocks hole, select sand, and you need to drop on top of you like this. And now you'll suffocate, and basically you will end up on the Backrooms mod. So as you can see, it's loading up. I need to wait, and now I'm in the Backrooms mode here, and then you can play basically into the Backrooms. So let's wait for a couple of seconds until it's completely loads up, and yeah, that's basically it what you need to do here. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.